Hi, welcome to another paper pins video. In this video, we'll build a flying bird. So this one looks like a bird with a neck and a beak and with wings spread out. So when you throw it, it looks like actual bird flying. So let's get started with this. We'll start with a rectangular piece of paper. First, we'll fold it in half along the width. Next, open it up and fold it along the pick up this corner and fold it so that this edge aligns with the center crease that we created. Next, repeat it on the other side. Pick up this corner and make sure this top edge aligns with the center crease. Next, let's make one more fold. Make sure this cross edge aligns to the center crease this time. Repeat it on the other side. Now fold it in half. Next, we have to make two folds. The first fold, you pick up this corner and then make a fold. And then for the next fold, follow along the same kind of angle and 2 or 3 centimeters away from the fold, make another fold, the same angle. That's it. Next, open it up and so now what we have to do is, like, this one looks like a mountain fold and this is a valley fold. So we have to convert the first one into a valley fold. So that both of these would look like a valley fold. So the inner crease, both of them should look like a valley fold from the open side. And then similarly on the second set of creases, make this one looks like a mountain fold already. So let's make this one also match that, make it look like a mountain fold. So fold it the other side. Okay, that's it. So once you made it, let's fold this and then push this first crease inside. And then once we do that, we will have this whole neck being formed for the bird. And then open it up again and then push the mountain fold for the beak out, and then you get the beak for the bird. So this is the most complex fold in this build, but once you get this correct, it should be easy to finish it up. Okay, once you do that, let's pick up the top layer and form the wing. So start from this corner and make a fold, which is make a crease which is parallel to the base. Okay, next turn it around and then repeat it on the other side. Start from this intersection point and then make a crease which is parallel to the base of the plane. Like I mentioned, you should start from this corner. Okay, once you have that, open it up, and then there you have it. This is the bird, the flying bird. So you could make it a little bit of, give it a little bit of positive dihedral angle to make it fly. If it still doesn't fly, give it a little bit of an up elevator on both sides, and then with a little bit more trimming, it should fly great. So try it and have fun. I will meet you in a different build video. Thanks for watching.